to do this video for so long now. So long, and I don't know what's taken me so long. I don't know why I haven't just done it, because I have been so excited to sit and film this for months. I'm just gonna put on my skincare while I chat to you. I'm just doing an Olay moisturiser. I have been fascinated with drag and all things drag ever since I was little, watching the film Kinky Boots. In the UK we had Lily Savage, which is Paul O'Grady, his alter ego, and Rocky Horror Picture Show, like Tim Curry. I've just been fascinated from a young age of like the gender boundaries and playing and experimenting, and like when I was younger I had like Pete Burns with a love heart in my username on MSN. Like I just loved it, and I really don't want anyone to think I am like taking the mick or, you know, making light of drag, because I am so inspired by it. Loads of makeup techniques and tips are originated by drag queens. Like, we all copy them, and I just absolutely love their like when they're on stage and performing, and I just absolutely adore it. I identify as a woman, but we all know I've got a gay man trapped inside wanting to come out and be a drag queen. All of my friends are like, why weren't you born a man? Like, you need to be a drag queen. And I'm like, girl, I'm a woman, so I guess I'm just a queen. The makeup we're trying today is a mixture from loads of different queens.
I mean, I've got so many favourites. Shangela, Blair St Clair, Eureka, GGB, Raven, Monet Exchange, Nina Bonita Brown, so talented. Like, all of them. Bianca Del Rio is not my favourite. Sasha Velour. There are just so many. Aquaria, I love this cracker this year as well. There are just so many. Like, I'll be at Latrice Royale. I'm so here for.
There'll be loads that I'm not saying, and then I'll watch this back and be like, damn, I want to give my love to them. So, first thing I'm going to do, glue down some brown. Oh, Valentina is just stunning. We just love RuPaul. I want to be Michelle Visage. Michelle Visage introduces herself as,
hi, I'm Michelle, I'm a drag queen.
I'm like, that's just me. I went to see Kinky Boots for like the millionth time in London recently, and my mum said, like, the people behind us were singing along, and I was like, these are my kind of people. My mum was like, she should have been born a bloke. Like, I just love it. I love performing, you know, I love a good performance. Righty, so I paused my coloured Pritt sticks. Is this the right thing to do? Oh, I haven't put primer on, that was moisturiser. I'm gonna go ahead and put some primer on. I mean, we're all born naked and the rest is drag, as RuPaul says.
I think Alaska. Alaska's the one up there. Like, I love her. And Sharon Needles, Jinx Monsoon. Oh, there's just loads. There's so much. Chad Michaels, Roxanne Andrews, was it? She did an amazing Liza Minnelli.
Who would you do for Match Game? I feel like, who did I think of doing? And then I was like, I can't remember. I'd do like Miranda Sings. I'd have done Miranda Sings if it was like one of the latest seasons, because they'd have got it. Right, okay. Well, this isn't that purple, is it? Oh, okay, we're getting it. I hope this doesn't do lasting damage. Oh no, I'm not supposed to. Oh, already messed up. So I really like how Blair St Clair, if you don't watch RuPaul or anything like this, like, just do it. Like, it makes me so happy. I like Blair, her eyebrows, she leaves her natural ones here as they are, so she just does like the outer third and then like makes them bigger. Okay, well, that, dry that up. Oh no. When I was walking around Tesco, I asked the shop assistant, and I think I actually went to school with her. I was like, I need purple glue, and then she literally straight away went, are you doing a drag look? And I was like, yeah. Well, that might do something, I don't know. And then another layer.
Oh, now there's dog hair on it. I'm a classic queen.
Should have just shaved him off, like, who cares anyway. And now I'm going to use a stick foundation, because that's what a lot of our queens do. And go over it. I mean, does it look like, on telly and like in their pictures, and then when you meet them they look so flawless, but is this what it actually looks like up close? Not that great. Because you're putting cream over powder. Feels wrong. So I don't really have any high coverage foundations. That one's quite a high coverage, so I could put more of that on in a moment. I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Liquid Foundation. Because if I can recall correctly, that was quite heavy, but then I can always just put some of this on as well. I'm going to put a bit of the stick foundation in the gaps as well, and then blend away This could take some time. I feel like I've got such a thick layer of foundation on. Now I can see the purple again. I'm like, how do these queens? I already look pale AF in my viewfinder right now, but that's because I am, girl. I bought the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Correct in white. Like, I've got the neck shade for my everyday concealer, but I bought it in white. Let me just remove the foundation lips. I really like how Blair St. Clair does her highlighting, because she uses a white cream, so I was like, I'm gonna just, that's white. Wow. Okay, so she puts a bit here, down the nose, here, chin, and then under the eyes. Let's see what happens. I mean, can you, I just crazy. I swear, in actual real life, I don't look that pale, but on the camera, I look so pale. Oh well, I'm gonna warm up this face, like right now, because it needs doing. I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia, that's not it, contour kit. Mine is in the light shade. Okay, so to warm up, normally I use this one to actually contour, as you can probably tell. To warm up, I'm gonna use this one with a bigger brush. Just to like, not do anything too neat and precise. Yeah. Oh, I so should have done Trixie Mattel. That eyebrow just looks so different to that one. Oh well. I'm starting to get very hot and sweaty, I must say. I'm not gonna bake, I'm just gonna, like, that. Wow, so technical. I mean, I've got to go to the vets in an hour, in 2 hours. Straight after that, singing lesson. Is this gonna come off? Oh my beauty. Okay, so we've got some quite sharp contour on. Guys, I can't even express how talented these makeup artists are that do this. Like, you drag queens, oh please, if you're a drag queen, please let me be your friend. Someone I know is currently in Kinky Boots, and I'm just like, yes, it's like 10 times more exciting because I know them. Okay, so blush, no, highlight, no, blush. Highlight time, righty. I feel like I'm like, the blush and contour contrast to the actual like face looks crazy. Highlight to filth, let's go. Oh yeah. If you were a drag queen, if you are a drag queen, what's your name? Like, what's your stage name? Oh, I just love it. Like, if you know me in my everyday life, like, I sing everything and I'm so theatrical and I'm so like, like extra, oh, I would just love it. Okay, let's attempt some brows. This is the bit that I'm like, this is not, because I'm not good at eyebrows anyway. What I've seen a few of the queens do that block out some of it, but not the front bits, is use a tinted brow gel for those front. For this section. Like that. Also, something I love about drag makeup, and just makeup in general, there are no rules. Like, you can have no blending, you can be lined, and you're great. That's your thing. You have like your thing. Righty, let's try brows. So I'm going to start off with powder first, shall I? Yeah. I'm going to go under the natural line. Okay. And then we're going to take it up. It's not showing up right now. Shall I try pencil? Oh God. Let's try brow wiz. Come on, please work. Okay. Oh, I don't want to look angry. I feel like I've got angry brows on. Something just flaked off, don't know what that was, oh well. A little angled brush, see if I can neaten the line. Probably won't be able to, but we'll give it a go. Did anyone else hold their breath when I do their eyebrows? Like, I mean, if I wanted brows like this daily, then I would just shave it. Like, I'd leave the front bit so I've got something to like refer to. But I'd just get rid of it. Forget it. I'm just gonna do one on camera and then do the other one off, I think. Okay, we've got some drag inspired eyebrows going on. So at the moment, my brow hair, my actual brow hair, is covered with the white concealer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like, sorry, I'm not doing it yet. I'm just seeing loads of dark bits. I'm gonna pat some white eyeshadow over the top. Sorry, I'm so distracted. I mean, is this the best it's gonna be? Do I give up now? Okay, let's try some eyes. So this is gonna be a massive like learning. Well, this whole video is. I'm using this Morphe palette. I don't know which one it is. There's no information. On the back it says 350. I don't know what that means. First I'm gonna do the crease line, and it actually joins up here with the nose contour, and then it like goes out. So, oh wow, pigmented. It goes to about here, and then the rest goes white. Now it's like white because it's like a cut crease, which I've never done. Works very well. And a little bit continues on underneath. Oh, that looks white anyway. That legit looks white. We're fine, we're fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eyeshadow on the other eye, and I will be back. We've got some kind of eye look going on. Do you know what? It's very hard to blend over eyebrow hairs. Funny that. Okay, what shall I go in with next? Should we do continue? Okay, liquid liner. So I actually have like the most amazing thing ever. It's the Arte and Courtney Act. I love Courtney Act, I forgot to mention her collaboration, and it's basically you've got a chunky liquid liner pen on one side, and then you've got a stamp, and it works so well for my everyday makeup. So you'll see that sometime. You're not going to see it in this video because we need quite a big wing. So I'm going to go in with the other side. So it is such a good liquid liner anyway, but the stamp is more everyday, like this. I mean, would I do that? I probably would go that big every day, let's be honest, it's me. But the stamp is, I could have just done the stamp, let's be honest. Yeah, I haven't gone that big. I could go bigger. Hokey pokey, I am going to do the other one. So I'm actually going to start with my bottom lashes when doing my eyes now. I'm just going to put some of my Marc Jacobs mascara on. So one of my favourite techniques that I see some of the queens doing is putting like individual lashes under the eyes. I'm not as bougie as that, so I have just cut an old pair that I will apply in 3 little sections. I've never actually worn false lashes on my lower lash line, and obviously these aren't actually like lower lashes. These are actually really effective, like doing this. I'm here for it. I mean, it's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but what is? Except being nude. Gonna go ahead and do the other one. Darth Queen. I literally finally feel like the look is coming together. So I'm just gonna pop some more mascara on the top lashes before I put the actual top lashes on. I love a false lash, but like this is quite uncomfortable, but it looks fabulous. Okay, so I've got some Ardell lashes. These are 600 wispies. Pop the other one on, and then I'll just top up the liner and mascara. I'm so here for this. I'm like, can I do this every day? Oh. I'm here, I'm excited. Okay, lips. I am just going to go in with one of my favourite Kat Von D lipsticks and then do a little drag queen trick that I have seen. And then I'm going to add my final step, and then we are complete. So before I do the lip technique, I will leave that to dry. I literally, like, these bottom lashes just changed the game. I now feel like Pheromone and Aquaria, and I love it. Okay, look what I got. Now, a lot of our fave queens will use Swarovski Crystals. Your girl just went to Tesco and got these Go Create Essentials ages 3+. Just just for the little, just for a little one. Just for a little one. Oh girl. I wanted them all here, but I feel like they're a bit big. Should I put one there? Oh, I don't know. So 2 lip tricks I learnt is using, so I don't have a white liquid liner, so I'm going to go back to my trusty Makeup Revolution white concealer and a tiny little lip brush. And I've seen, to get like an even more doll-like look, they do it on the little Cupid's bow. I am going to add some highlight on top actually. I think that might work a bit better for me. And then doing another drag queen favourite is going in with a sparkly shade and putting it on the lips. I'll see what I think. I really love it on some of the queens. Oh, I quite like it. And I think I am done. Oh my good gracious. I absolutely am so here for this. I wish I had like a wig, or I wish I hadn't just washed my hair so it would lay properly, but I am so here for this. Okay, let me just have a look at myself for a little while, because girl, I am Alyssa Edwards. I forgot to even mention her. Is this too much for the vet visit? I don't think so. Yeah, I think it's a bit much. My inner drag queen is coming out. We're coming out. Oh, guys. I've had so much fun, and I'm just going to take all the photos now, and I'm living my best life. I am living my drag queen fantasy serving look. So thank you so much for watching. Give me a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let me know your favourite drag queen. Let me know your drag name. What's my drag name? Give me a drag name. And I'll see you in my next video.